What is up, guys? Welcome back to Chum Boys Outdoors. We are about to bust out about 8 miles of river today on our Vibe Shearwaters. Me and Jason Wolf here from Wolfhead Outfitters. Been on the river a few times already with him this year. Went a couple times with him last year. Super nice guy. He runs people on the river, runs a shuttle service, and does guided fishing trips if you guys want to check him out. And I will put a link down below of all the other videos that I have filmed with him getting out on the river here. Also leave a link down below where you guys can go to his Facebook page and check him out and give him a shout out if you guys want to get on the river and catch some of these fish that we're catching and about to catch today. It's just getting daylight. Sun ain't all the way up yet, but just starting to get daylight out here, and be getting on the river here in about 15 or 20 minutes or so. Got to go drop my truck off and then hop in the car with him, and then we will go put the kayaks in and get to cranking on some of these fish, guys. The plan today is, like I said, we're doing 8 miles. I have a spinnerbait tied on, which is what I've thrown the last 2 times that I came out with him, and I've done really well on. So I might not throw it a whole lot today just because I've thrown it a lot the past 2 times I've been out. Also have a jig on that I plan on throwing more around some cover and stuff, and maybe try to find some fish that are actually pushed up trying to spawn or something. Maybe try to find some beds, because those fish should be doing their thing. It's been really warm out, and this river is usually behind the other rivers that I fish, and they're spawning at the other rivers already pretty dang hard. And it seems like this river's always behind a little bit, so hopefully they're doing their thing now and we can find some big fish today. All the fish that he said he caught yesterday were all fat, still full of eggs, and so it's got me pretty excited. We're going to catch some big fish today. What else I got tied on? What did I tie on? I got a crankbait on too, I believe. I got a crankbait, spinnerbait, jig, and then I got the mag slow on too. That bigger mega bass bait that you guys have seen me throw in the creek. Might toss that around today as well. Also have some glide baits with me and stuff like that. Some more unique lures that I might throw around if we're getting a lot of bites and catching a lot of fish. I might try to bust out a little bit bigger bait, try to catch something big for you guys. That is the plan today, though. Nothing too crazy. Also brought some topwater with me today. Jason's been catching on topwater for the past few weeks. Nothing real steady or crazy, but he has managed to catch a few. Actually lost like a 20-inch smallie on topwater, right around there, he said the other day. So might get out the Mega Bass Quick Walker or the Whopper Plopper. You guys have seen me throw the Whopper Plopper a bit in my videos if you guys watch a lot of my videos. But that's the plan today. We are pulling into the takeout right now, so I'm gonna leave my truck here. I'm gonna hop in with him and we will go get on the river, guys, and I will update you when we get there and I get on my kayak, or get my kayak situated and everything. So that's the plan today. 8 miles and looking for a big one today. I really don't care about numbers so much this year. I'm really just looking for some big fish this year. So that's the plan, and I will update you guys whenever we get on the river. All right, guys, made it down to the river. Had to drag the kayak down a little bit, but we got the Shearwater here. Jason's going to park in the car now. Just wanted to shout out Bass Stash. Definitely, that backpack's definitely going to work great on these floats with me. I've flipped the kayak, which I haven't done yet, so it's inevitable. It'll happen eventually. So being a dry backpack, I'll have everything in there nice and dry, guys. I won't have to worry about anything getting ruined or lost. It'll float there for a while. I'll have time to flip my kayak over and get all my gear back and not lose all my gear. So shout out to them for sending me that backpack, and go ahead and go check one of these out, guys. I'm gonna use this for wading, for kayaking here, and even take it on a boat with me whenever I plan on getting a bass boat soon. So I'll take that on the boat with me too and keep all my gear in there, and probably switch over to rain gear or extra clothes or whatever, keep in there, keep nice and dry in the boat. So shout out to them, and I will leave a link down below. You guys check them out. We're gonna throw these kayaks in the water here and get to cranking. Guys, just a little 1/8 ounce jig here. Got a tackle HD crawl. I'm gonna throw in the back for a trailer. More of a natural color today. This water is gonna be clear, So going with a little more natural color today. Big fish eating bait fish on the bank.
All right.
Big fish, dude.
Let me top water that guy.
Hurry up and throw your top water over there. I'll get it on camera. That seemed like a pretty good sized fish too.
He'll probably be right there still.
Oh yeah, he's gonna be right off the bank. He's sitting there still, I'm sure. That's what all that, see the bait fish up there or whatever it is?
Yeah, I see one moving. See it?
Uh-huh. Oh, that's the fish.
Is it?
Yeah, that's him.
All right, I'm gonna try to not make any noise here.
I hope you crush one right here. There ain't no way you don't hit it.
Trying to make sure I get it like that.
There it is.
And it doesn't float.
Just broke my spinner.
You broke it? Jeez.
I was trying to bend it. Oh. Oh, I just missed one. Just had a bite on the jig. Oh, decent little smallie. Bitsy bug jig with HD craw. Hit it twice. There we go, guys. First fish of the day. Little smallie. Oh. Had another one on the jig. Another one on the jig. Another one on the jig, guys. Small one, but maybe this is what they want all day. Haven't gotten a bite on anything else. Oh yeah. About the same size my other two were.
Dude, you just will not quit.
The fish I caught wouldn't quit either. They were feisty. They were feisty.
I'm gonna keep you. You're small. I'd rather not have to touch it. So
This jig is getting lit up.
somebody caught a fish out of this hole.
Little smallie.
If this is it after we go into the tree,
I'm gonna put myself in a position to stand up and put on my glasses so I can see down into the water and see if I can find his shit. Same thing you did.
That little point's scary. Yeah. Right here.
Really?
Yep.
One of them or two of them?
One. That's it.
I think I can get it.
Try to net it.
I touched it.
All right, Jason's up there getting the guy's tackle box. He wiped out on this float a few days ago and lost one of his tackle boxes up there, and Jason's up there trying to get it out of the water right now. I located it and Jason is up there now trying to retrieve it. Measuring board.
Is there?
Yep.
Catch one or yellow one?
Yeah. Yep. Yellow or white.
Telling me I should take out this grass burner. That's what you're telling me.
Yeah. Might be able to snag it.
I
Easy.
didn't even know he lost that.
It's definitely visible. I don't.
Might be able to get it. Just doing what I'm doing here.
All right, I got a good eye on it now.
Yeah, it's right there.
As soon as I get over top of it, the thing like disappears.
That's gotta be it.
Yeah, that's it.
You've got it. Oh, open that up.
6 cents. Another rat. Some jigs.
Doesn't have the swim baits in it. There's still one more.
There's still one more.
Yep.
Yeah, this is another heavy one. This one went down pretty far. Jeez.
Thank you, brother. I appreciate you.
That is crazy.
Well, this will be cool for your video, huh?
Yeah, little tackle recovery mission.
But if it's gonna be here, it's gonna be right here. How's it look, Dad?
Goggle eye.
Is it?
Yeah, good one.
Yeah, I've been catching them like that. Nice.
There was a bunch of them up there. They're all falling. Whoa, there he goes. Yeah.
He was like, man, I don't want to be the third wheel, man. I'm like, dude, Tyler's cool people, and you wouldn't need third wheel. There you go.
Little guy.
Yeah, there's always fish back in there.
It's a bigger fish. Oh. Come on. Not real big.
Get sucked into that current.
He ain't real big, but about the same size as the other ones. Just fighting harder in that current. There we go.
That ain't real little.
Nice little smallie. He was giving head shakes like it was an actual big fish.
You see how I told?
I also usually don't fish this light of a rod in the river
You
though.
see how I mean? Like I called that.
Yeah.
I missed a couple big bass up under this limb right here.
Really?
Yeah. I had one on last fall right up under it. There's like a rock or something in here somewhere that they fucking hugged.
A little largy. Yeah, there's a big rock right here. There's a decent one. Yeah. Not too bad. He was out from the bank a little ways, which he might have just followed it, but there we go, guys. There's a decent little largemouth. And a mark on this fish.
That's what I'm saying, man. Like, does it even look like it's ready to spawn?
No.
He's a super nice guy, man. Fuck cool. Get out of Dodge.
A little baby smallie.
Those are rookie numbers.
A little baby smallie. Fat little largemouth. Little chunky guy. The line is super frayed up. I gotta retie. Another goggle eye.
I told you, bro, they're all over this river right now. I've never caught these fucking goggle.
Another one. Yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Rain's got him fired up. Hey. Yeah. Decent little smallie, guys. This Tackle HD jig with the Tackle HD crawl is killing them right now. Another goggle eye, guys. Big old fat one. Oh, oh.